Welcome to my channel. I have Globein and never know how to pronounce the doggone thing correctly. No.
What?
Back off. I'm recording, you know. You can tell the difference between when I'm home alone and when I'm not. Back off. Back off. This is delicious, you guys.
So good.
So, if you haven't already, go check out the Bombay and Cedar unboxing. And I'll put it in the cards below. What a heck of an intro. A ghetto intro. But this is the bomb. So I got this in my June box. And if you want to know more about the June box, go check that video out, and I'll put a link in the description box below. I have a grandkid and a child that needs to let me do this video.
What's poppin', son?
So Globein is a... So look, guys, I've unraveled some things. This is cute. This is like some paint enamel splash on like a tin tray. So this dish tray has some depth. You even could probably bake a little light dessert or something in this, which is really cool. But even if you don't do that and you just want to put some cheese and crackers, some fruits, or whatever your heart's content, that's what would be held in this guy. This is made in India. I would not think this is dishwasher or microwave safe just based on feeling the material of it, but I think it's really cool, and it fits vertical or horizontal in your basket. So they made sure that the depths, you know, of the basket, it would work. The next thing we have, which I had to pause, is packaged in this brown box as 2 tumblers. And the glassware is made in Mexico. And it's kind of thick with a nice color. Oh my God, this is just gorgeous. This is beautiful, you guys. I will definitely be cleaning these and using one of them today. I'm just that excited. I think this is just precious. And what a talent for the person who's able to hand blow and manipulate glass like this and to get the color on there like that. And it just seems like it's in the inside of the glass versus on the outside. Adorable. And the last thing to share with you is they sent a treat. So I think that's great. You guys know I'm that person over here on YouTube. I like when a little snacky wacky comes in, and it's always one I haven't had before for the most part. So this is from Yes Peas. Oh my goodness. From Pop Chips. Now I've had Pop Chips before, but I haven't had Yes Peas. Himalayan salt, 3 simple ingredients, whole peas with a hint of oil and salt. Three ingredients, 6 grams of protein, non-GMO, gluten-free, 110 calories if you consume this whole little bag by yourself. That's it, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. I did get another package, but I'm not going to share it or record it today. I'm going to wait because I want to give away. I can't share that much. I did want to give away from a company that I signed up under Southern Yankee, but it was so many months ago and I didn't check out yet. So I said, I like to ease my way into these boxes because it's held, sometimes it's canceling. And so they do have a mystery bag right now. And so I'm waiting until I get the mystery bag, and then I'll show you guys what I ended up winning in a giveaway. So that came in today. But yeah, anyways, that's it. Globein's next July box looks pretty cool. Again, I got my eye on that shape thingamajigger, and he just sells so many things. So definitely, if you want to use my code, get a deep discount by signing up for your first box and getting the experience.